Hey there, it's Fire Mage once again, continuing off my third Legend of Dragoon challenge run. Hey, didn't I just see you guys just a couple of fucking seconds ago? Well, here we go with Firebird. Same additions, blah blah blah. In fact, you can even tell if you've been paying attention to the clock in the last video exactly how far along it's been. Items and everything, blah blah blah. And of course, the main thing, equips! Yep, good old default equips. Hooray. So, Firebird is a lot tougher than, well, Virage. But it's a 2-boss area, so what are you going to do? So it's already down to the yellow. Already in the red. Not that bad. I expected worse. But now there's really nothing that's keeping me from killing him outright, so... And that's Firebird. So both Volcano Velude fights extremely quick, thanks to the power of maxed out additions. which pretty much at this point in the game are very easily broken. And everybody levels up, except for Shauna, it seems, and... oh, Shauna does level up. And Dart also gets Burning Rush. Yay! So I will see you guys for Graham later.